And so with that, we wind up the inaugural panel for this ceremony to open the symposium. And we continue to beat the drums of change. Thank you all. Friends, with that we move into the second part of our program this evening. I'm going to invite Kamla Bhasin, the doyen of the women's movements in India, singer, poet, trainer, activist, mentor to so many of us, to come and tell us about the second part of this evening's program. Kamla.
Friends, it is absolutely, can we please have everybody sit down? It is absolutely wonderful to be with all of you at this historical global symposium. Following the words of Sufi saints told to us earlier by my friend Saida, let us all collectively decide to give up our love of power and to practice the power of love. For me, this whole symposium is about the power of love. Let us celebrate our solidarity, our compassion, our passion, and our courage to challenge not just patriarchy, but all hierarchies. Friends, at this global symposium, we are actually challenging the biggest threat, according to me, to our survival, to Mother Nature, to the planet. This biggest threat is hegemonic masculinity. Friends, according to me, hegemonic masculinity is behind everything which threatens the planet and threatens our solidarity and our survival. It is behind all wars and conflicts. It is behind the greed-based corporate plunder of Mother Earth. It is behind all forms of terrorism, including state terrorism and market terrorism. It is behind all forms of fundamentalisms. This is what we are here to challenge. Friends, let us give ourselves and all the partners with whom we work, the millions with whom all of us work, let's give us a big hand that we are here together, still alive and kicking, and deciding to challenge not just gender injustice and inequality, but also caste, class, race, injustice and inequality, and majoritarianism. We are sick and tired of majoritarianism. And friends, now for the next 60 minutes, we go on another journey, a journey towards our insides, a journey into the world of spirit. Into that world, let us go where there is no domination, where there is no violence, where there is love, harmony, and interdependence. And there are two amazing women who are going to take us onto this journey through music. Parvati Baul, who has come from Kerala, is herself on this journey for over 2 decades. She's a Baul singer, a seeker, and a practitioner of the Baul way of living. Parvati has learned her way of living and her music from Sanatan Das Ji and Shashank Goshain Ji. The other person who are going to take us on this journey is Shabnam Virmani. About 10 years ago, Shabnam started making films on the Sufi singer and poet Kabir and people who sing Kabir. While making those films, she turned into a seeker, she turned into a singer, and has produced these most amazing 4 films. And her project, the Kabir project, is based in Srishti, Bangalore. Friends, it is our insides which are going to transform the outside world, which needs to be transformed. So the inner and the outer needs to go together. This time, the inner. Please welcome Parvati Baul, and Shabnam Virmani, with love and peace and harmony.
Good evening to all of you. I think our Indian friends in the audience here need no introduction to Kabir or Baul. But I heard there are people here from over 93 or 94 countries. So a little bit of context for them. The poets Parvati and I sing lived a few hundred years ago, but their voices were so powerful and they spoke so directly to the people, to the hearts of the people, that they are sung by countless folk singers in this subcontinent. And almost everybody can quote a poem or two of Kabir or any mystic. So who were they? Kabir, Bulle Shah, Lalon. They were wandering yogis, they were ascetics.
And they were spiritual seekers. And they were the love intoxicated.
They were fierce social critics, iconoclasts.
They were in divine madness, and they talked about everything in life, because the spirituality is not about the other world, it is here and now. They talked about life, death, religion, social divide. But this evening, we will share with you some images from the songs which addresses to gender and masculinity.
So Parvati, I think the first thing that springs to mind is this amazing fact. It's so striking that here are male poets writing, singing, composing, and so much of their poetry is about women's experiences. Isn't that striking and strange? Their poetry is replete with images from women's day-to-day lives, from the kitchen, from mehendi, from shringar, from beautifying yourself for the beloved, from the torment of waiting for union with the beloved. These male poets become women in this poetry. कबीर रेख सिंदूर की और काजल दिया न जाए नैनन प्रीतम रमी रया दूजा कौन समाए. This song, Kabir, it seems to me, is accessing the woman within him. He's talking in a very intimate voice as a woman speaking to her very close, dear friend, his own inner self, his own awareness. And he's telling her, wake up, get aroused, oh my awareness, and go and wake up that sleeping beloved of yours. And he's speaking in the idiom that women use. He's speaking thinking of all the emotions that perhaps are unavailable to men in our societies and cultures. Longing, vulnerability, emotional intimacy. प्यारी सजनी
heard this song?
I heard it in Kutch, and I heard it from a male folk singer, robust man, big belly, big mustaches. And when he sang this song, he became so soft and tender. So it begs the question, do men write and sing this poetry to fulfill some part of them that's empty, to fill some kind of void?
Your poem reminds me of something that my Guruji told me. Is in the Baul path, we have to find the man within. And to find the man within for a woman, and the man and the woman has to find the man within.
And man has to find the woman within.
মন তুমি পুরুষ কি নারী ভেবে পেলাম না ভেবে পেলাম না কিছু এ যে মজার বলি হারি মন তুমি পুরুষ কি নারী শুনতে পাই সাধুর মুখে পুরুষ নির্গুণ দেখে প্রকৃতি আপন হতে সৃজিলা ব্রহ্মাণ্ড তাই বলি ব্রহ্মাণ্ডে যত কেউ পুরুষ নয় প্রকৃতিগত পুরুষের কাছে নিত্য নির্লিপ্ত নির্গুণ নির্বিচারী মন তুমি পুরুষ কি নারী But once it becomes mature within, for a practitioner, for a yogi, one finds the woman or man within, then one goes beyond. Then it becomes the question, who am I living inside me? আমার ভেতর আমি কেতা খবর রাখলি না আমার ভেতর আমি কেতা খবর রাখলি না শুধু আমি 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 ও শুধু আমি আমি করে বেড়াও এই আমি কেতা বলো না আমি কেতা বলো না আমার ভেতর আমি কেতা খবর রাখলি 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 না সাধু সন্ন্যাসী নই রে আমি সাধু সন্ন্যাসী গৃহী কিংবা ব্রহ্মচারী আমি নই বনবাসী নই রে আমি নারী নই রে আমি পুরুষ আমি নই তো নারী আমি নই তো পুরুষ যাগ যোগ তীর্থ যত তাতেও নাই মোর বাসনা খাবা তাতেও নাই মোর বাসনা আমার ভেতর আমি কেতা খবর রাখলি না আমার ভেতর আমি কেতা খবর রাখলি না আমি 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 করে বেড়াও আমি কেতা বলো না আমি কেতা বলো না আমার ভেতর আমি কেতা খবর রাখলি না আমার ভেতর আমি কেতা খবর রাখলি না